First, we need to ensure that your desktop icons are not set to auto-arrange. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select View from the context menu. In the View options, make sure that both Auto-Arrange icons and Align icons to grid are unchecked. If they are checked, click on them to uncheck them. After adjusting these settings, try restarting your computer to see if the problem persists. If your desktop icons continue to rearrange after a restart, the next step is to delete the icon cache file. To do this, open File Explorer. You can do this by right-clicking the Start button and selecting File Explorer. Navigate to This PC, then open your C drive. Now we need to enable the viewing of hidden files and folders. By default, this option is usually unchecked. If you do not see hidden files and folders, click on the ellipses icon labeled See More at the top of the File Explorer window, then click on Options. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Under the Hidden Files and Folders section, make sure Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives is checked. Click Apply, then OK. Once hidden files are visible, go back to your C drive. Locate and open the Users folder. Inside the Users folder, find and open the folder that corresponds to your current username. You can find your username by clicking the Start button and looking at the name displayed at the top. Within your username folder, navigate to App Data, then open the Local folder. In the Local folder, look for a file named iconcache.db. You can either rename this file, for example, to iconcache.db.old, or delete it entirely. After deleting or renaming the icon cache file, restart your computer. This should ideally resolve the icon rearranging issue. If the problem still persists, we will try updating your graphics drivers. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. If you encounter a user account control prompt, click Yes or Continue. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. You might see one or two graphics drivers listed here. Right-click on your primary graphics driver. This could be Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, or another brand. And select Update Driver. Choose the option Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then search for and install any available driver updates. If Windows indicates that the best drivers are already installed, you can try searching for drivers through Windows Update. Click on Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update within the Driver Update window. This will take you to the Windows Update section where you can check for and install any available driver updates for your graphics card. After installing any updates, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Finally, we can prevent themes from automatically changing your desktop icon settings. Right-click on your desktop, select Show More Options, and then click on Personalize. In the Personalization settings, click on Themes. Then, click on Desktop Icon Settings. In this window, uncheck the box that says Allow Themes to Change Desktop Icons. Click Apply, then OK. Restart your computer one last time. This should ideally resolve the problem. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.